This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the PremiereTrade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Topping off the news today, U.S. manufacturing expanded in November as new orders and production improved, but the pace of growth was a touch weaker than the prior month. The Institute for Supply Management reported that its manufacturing index registered 50.8 last month. That's down from 50.9 in October. Well, if you've got a 7% adjustable mortgage that's about to skyrocket past 10%, getting a break make it a little bit easier. One solution to the foreclosure problem gaining traction would freeze rates at lower levels. The Hope Now Alliance, a coalition of lenders, servicers, investors, and community groups put together by the Treasury Department, is working on a version of a freeze that could be announced later in the week. Lennar has sold a property portfolio to a new venture mostly owned by an affiliate, Morgan Stanley, for $225 million. As part of the deal, Lennar sold the entity about 11,000 home sites. Properties had a book value of about $1.3 billion. Oil prices fell about $1 a barrel in volatile market on speculation that OPEC may still boost output at this week's meeting. Lehman Brothers said it plans to rebrand its Australian business, Grain Securities, to Lehman Brothers Australia as it seeks to build its brand name in the fast-growing region. It also will rename its Grange Asset Management arm Lehman Brothers Asset Management. In Forex news today, the yen rebounded from a two-week low against the dollar after Moody's Investor Service said it's preparing the biggest credit rating cut since subprime mortgage defaults rocked financial markets. The yen rose versus all 16 most traded currencies as investors retreated from carry trades and sold higher-yielding assets bought with loans from Japan. The yen also advanced as Bank of Japan governor signaled interest rates may have to increase. Well, at a time when everyone from billionaire investors such as Warren Buffett and Bill Gross to celebrities all want nothing to do with the dollar, a growing number of strategists say that the stage is being set for a rally of the dollar next year. The U.S. budget and trade deficits are narrowing in tandem for the first time since 1995, when the currency gained 8% as measured by the Federal Reserve's U.S. weighted dollar index. Economic reports for tomorrow. There are none scheduled for Tuesday. In earnings news today, MetLife forecasts quarterly operating earnings per share somewhere in the range of $1.40 to $1.45. That's up from $1.36 per share in the fourth quarter of last year. Analysts are looking for $1.43. United Health Group said it expects 2007 profit somewhere in the range of $3.49 to $3.50 a share. And CH Energy Group lowered its full-year earnings to a range of $2.50 to $2.70 a share. Earnings coming out on Tuesday include AutoZone, Chico's FAS, Lane Christensen, Payless Shoe Source, Sanderson Farms, and Photronics. Some of the stocks in the news today. Activision traded higher after Vivendi said it will buy control of the video game giant and merge its own game division into ATVI. Jack's Pacific said the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York would dismiss a complaint filed against it by World Wrestling Entertainment. And Goodrich Petroleum launched a public offering for 5.2 million shares. And that is the Market Wrap on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott. Have a great evening. This is the James Dix Financial Network.